I'm Camille Fisher. I'm a first-year financial engineering student at the Drucker School of Management. I chose the Drucker School of Management primarily because of the unique blend of management and mathematics courses that are offered at this school. There's also a flexibility in the program that I really enjoy, where I can choose my own electives and really tailor the program to meet my own personal and professional goals. Professors are really knowledgeable about all the courses that they're teaching and the material. They're also really personable and easy to talk to, and they always make themselves very available to you because I believe that they truly want you to succeed in the program. They also make the material fun and easy to learn. The first professor that comes to mind is Professor Prag. He really converses with students a lot and shows you how concepts that we talk about in class are applied to the real world. For example, before every class in fixed income, we always go over the stock market and see what fluctuations have occurred and what has possibly caused those fluctuations. And he really keeps the conversation going so that we're all involved. My most memorable moment has probably been the financial engineering social event that was hosted at Professor Shellhorn's home. It was a really good event to socialize with not only my fellow classmates, but also the professors and other Drucker staff in a relaxed environment. We also got really great food and had stimulating conversation, and we got to see the SpaceX launch from his backyard, which was something I'll never forget. It's truly an amazing sight. I think this program really helps prepare you for the real world and your professional career after graduation. A lot of my courses have used economic and mathematical theory, and they teach you how to apply it to real life scenarios. So I think that that's going to be a huge aspect of, what employers look for when you're interviewing. During orientation, we did a case study, which we got to interact with all the MBA students, which was a really cool perspective that I don't think anywhere else would really experience in a quantitative program. We did a case study on the Lego company, actually, and it was really interesting to learn all this history about the company. And we also got to get into groups and chat with other MBA students and as well as MAM students, which I don't have a lot of classes with now, so it was really nice getting to meet them. And we were able to collaborate and come up with our own ideas on the specific questions that were asked during the case study.